Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about some of the migratory organisms. Students, do you know what is the process called migration? Migration is the mass movement of animals from one place to another. Why do animals migrate? There are many reasons for migration. The organisms that undertake migration for getting plenty of food, for escaping from unfavorable climatic conditions, and for breeding purpose. Students, the migration is exhibited by the birds, insects, many of the fish and mammals. Here in this picture, an important migratory bird that comes or visit India every year, they are the mallard ducks. They are very beautiful. They come to India to breed and make their nest. Now students, a migratory fish, that is eel. Eel live in freshwater bodies like rivers and streams. When the eels mature, they migrate to the seas for breeding. Students, they lay eggs in the sea. The eggs hatch out into young fish. After this, the eels die. The mature ones, the parent ones will die. And the young ones, at a particular stage, they come back to the rivers and they complete their life cycle in the rivers. Now students, a migratory fish that is known as the salmon. It is a very beautiful fish found in the sea. Salmons are used as food. Now children, the salmon is a migrating fish. When it is matured, for breeding purpose, they migrate to the rivers and lakes. It reaches in swamps or in shoals to the water bodies, freshwater bodies, lay their eggs. The young ones are formed and they reach back. Then students, the migratory insects like a locust, they look like grasshoppers, they have wings, they fly with air currents, they go from one place to another and destroy the crops. We know that the locusts cause harm to the crops, standing crops, and destroy the crops. Now students, the locusts, they go from one place to another and especially they feed on the tender stems, flowers and the leaves of plants. Students, they affect the traffic also sometimes because when the roads are filled with locusts, it is very difficult to drive the vehicles. Now students, in India too, the Chilka Lake in Odisha and Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, flamingos are the migratory birds reach every year. The country in which they belong, their severe winter is there. The ground is covered with ice. They do not get any food item and they cannot tolerate the extreme cold conditions, so they fly many miles and reach in a new place where they make their nest, breed, and in the new place for them plenty of food is available. Now children, the storks or Siberian cranes, they reach from Siberia every winter to India. Their is unfavorable climate in their native country. They reach in India in large flocks. They live here. When the babies hatch out from the eggs, when the babies are mature enough to fly away in their native country, the unfavorable climatic conditions are completed. They fly back to their own native places. The migratory birds are protected by the government authorities of India. We know that the Siberian cranes, the flamingos and the storks are the migratory birds present in India. These are the eels. I already told you about the eel, that is a fish that live in rivers and freshwater bodies. Their body look like a snake, but they have fins in their body and they have scales on their bodies. They lay their eggs in the sea and the young ones come back to the freshwater bodies like rivers and streams. Now children, here you can see the life cycle of salmons. The mature salmons, they live in the oceans. They firstly migrate to the freshwater bodies like rivers. Then these lay eggs, they breed and lay eggs. Then the eggs will hatch out and the young ones will be formed, and the young ones up to a particular age, they live in the rivers. Then they are coming to an estuary that is found between the river and the sea. In the estuary, their growth occurs, and these fish, when they are attaining a certain size, they migrate they come back to the seas and their life cycle is completed. So students, that is the migration of the salmons. The insects such as monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico. They lay eggs and the caterpillars are formed. The pupal stage, after the pupal stage, the chrysalis is opened. The adult butterfly emerges. The monarch butterflies then go back to Canada. So children, they are very beautiful to look at. They attract many tourists. Tourists come to watch these monarch butterflies. The mammals also migrate from one place to another, like the caribous or the reindeers. The whales migrate to tropical warm waters. The human beings migrate to other countries for the purpose of getting more income or jobs, to escape from wars. There are many reasons for the migration of human beings. When we think about migration, we will think about mainly birds, but there are many other animals that migrate like the zebras, elephants, etc. So students, these are the migratory animals we studied in this video. We studied how the migration is very important. The organisms migrate to search new pastures, new breeding places, and also to get plenty of food in the new places. So students, I hope you understood. Thank you.